At the statement from Senator Cheruiyot gives me an opportunity to say this, Mr. Speaker. I have absolute faith in every member of this House. It will take time, but you will come to see the light, that what is right and what is wrong is wrong. It doesn't matter who's the victim of a police brutality. It is wrong because Kenyans envisaged a service, moving away from a force. And what has happened in the past, Mr. Speaker, we don't begrudge anyone on the majority side. We understand why you have to do what you do all the time. When you see police bludgeoning us in the streets, we understand why you need to celebrate. But the good thing is that in the fullness of time, I can see the light is shining all the way on the majority side. It's starting on this side. Senator Mungatana was the first to see the light. Senator Khalwale these days is very reasonable. I can see now my brother Cheruiyot, soon it will get to Karen and the majority leader. Because the problem we have, Mr. Bwana Majority Leader, my brother, is that although the Constitution expresses the police as having independent command, when we see pronouncements from senior members of the executive, for instance, the CS for Interior, Kindiki, when we were protesting and he's the one assigning timelines, he says by 5 a.m., the police will be there to deal with Sifuna and his crooks. That's what he used to do. When we see people like Gachagua saying we will crush these people, then we question ourselves about the independence of the police. And the IG of police repeats and echoes the things that are coming from the executive. Then that line between the police and the executive becomes blurred. We will condemn every single incident where police are abusing their power. I am not in the habit, by the way, of laughing at people who used to laugh at me. Because I think my mission in this life, I think I will be at ease, at peace, Mr. Speaker, the day all of us join us in the minority in saying we must have a country that works for everyone, that respects rule of law, irrespective of who you are, Mr. Speaker, so that a person being bludgeoned in Nandi by police should have the same rights as a person being bludgeoned in Nyalenda. And we should all come out and condemn it and say this is not the service we wanted. Lastly, Mr. Speaker, on the